I'm Lisa Miller, and I'm the CEO and founder of Vi Healthcare. And today I want to show you a great example of Invoice ROI, our patent-pending technology focused on purchase services spend. We're going to talk about Reference Lab and the complexity around monthly reconciliation of invoices and all the opportunities and the data that's found on your invoices, and specifically Reference Lab. So the example I'm going to share with you today is with a current client who utilizes Invoice ROI for many of their purchase services categories in their spend. And here's the example. As everyone knows, Reference Lab spend, when you get your invoices, they're usually 20, 30, 40 pages of invoice details. And so on this specific monthly invoice, there are 1,940 line items and 95 specific tests. So there's a great amount of details, very, very difficult to reconcile and to extract the details. As you can see here, with our technology, we were able to extract all of the line item details and extract them digitally within minutes and put them into an Excel spreadsheet. Now, what's fascinating about Invoice ROI and our patent-pending technology is that we create a database, a customized database, based on the agreement that is in place. So within minutes, we're able to reconcile the monthly invoices. So once the invoices are digitally extracted, that database is in our technology. So here's the example. Again, there's 1,940 line items and 95 different tests, but as you will see in column E, we have a status which is on contract. So these are items that are on contract, that are written in the agreement, but there's a pricing error. And what's fascinating, what's interesting about this specific monthly invoice is that the total of the invoice was $36,404, and 29% of that invoice was priced in error. It was pricing that was on contract, but the wrong contract price. And so prior to Invoice ROI, this hospital were paying their Reference Lab invoices and other purchase services invoices because they didn't have the time to manually go through and look at every line item to make sure that the line items matched contract pricing. As you can see, the $10,234.64 were at the 2017 Medicare rate. So they were overcharged by $1,025. On the second item, current charges that didn't match any Medicare rate, there were $26,170.34 of an overcharge of $9,696.98, totaling to $10,000. This is huge. We brought this to the attention of our client. We built a report out. We sent the report out to our client. The client had it for their use in supply chain to be able to send out the details back to the vendor, and we really, with the push of a button, they're able to say, this is wrong, please fix this. And immediately they were able to not overpay. And in addition, we had other data that we were able to send to the CFO, who's also tracking the data. But if you can imagine, every single line item on the invoice with great specificity now is in Excel. We also put this into Microsoft Power BI for enhanced data analytics to look at variation, for optimization opportunities. And the other area, specifically in Reference Lab, we're able to send this spreadsheet out to RevCycle, so the RevCycle department in the hospital now can validate to make sure that all these line items or all these tests were actually billed. And so we're finding that our clients not only are gaining the value from Invoice ROI from a a cost perspective, a management perspective, an optimization perspective, but they're gaining value to make sure that they have revenue enhancement. They're ensuring their revenue. 50% of a hospital's non-labor spend is within purchase services. This one example was one vendor, one monthly invoice, and there was a 29% overcharge. This is common. We see this in hospitals all throughout the country since 1999 in all areas of purchase services spend. And Invoice ROI can help your organization. Please reach out to me so I can provide a personal demo so we can help your organization.